Hi, so glad to meet you here. I'm Yuki, the trainer from AiHouse. So in this video, I'm so glad to introduce your new functions with you. It is AI layout. With this function, you can get your rendered picture very quick because the designs of the whole floor plan will be very quick by this function. So you can see I have listed this layout process with you. The first thing you need to do is to import your floor plan, or you can draw your floor plan also. And second, you can use the AI layout now. Then in this layout interface, what you need to do first is to select the layout scheme, then to select the style. After that, you can get your layout in the 3D and view it in 3D. Converting everything is right. Then you can go to get the render picture. So now let's get into AiHouse to see this function. And now we are getting into the AiHouse. Let's upload the floor plan image first. Or you can also import the CAD. It's cool. Let me recognize this floor plan first. It will smart recognize will not cost that much time, so don't worry about this. Then let's wait. Oh, okay, no need to wait. It's very quick. Then the floor plan is finished. Will be in 3D or even the walkthrough. It's very cool. Next, you need to go to the top menu to find this AI layout function. Alright, I need to mention that this AI layout function is for our premier customer. Okay, now left click this AI layout function. This is our AI layout interface. You can see at the middle is our floor plan. Alright, this should be the kitchen. Okay, I will change this later. And at the left side, you can see there are two skins for you to select. At the top, it's about the file. You can also import the drawing or CADs at here, or even open your other project. Come here to save your project, undo and redo it, or even reset it. And at the right side, it's the floor property. Like now, I would like to change this room's name. Then you can left click to select here. Then go to the right side, you can see the space name right here. Just change it to kitchen. Left click the outside space and go to the right side. You can left click the whole house recommended. Okay, you can see it will recognize a layout for you. And at the left side, you can also change it to others layout. And I'm favorite with the first one. And if you still want to add something or change something, just directly go to the material at the left side. Left click here, then you will see there are many other materials for you to set. Electric appliance, decoration, and finishing. And if you want to place furniture, you can directly drag and drop it inside, like this sofa. And if you don't need it, just delete it. Very quick. So after you confirm the layout, just hit the setup at the middle button. Next, you just need to select the style. And at the left side, you can see there are many styles. Just scroll down your mouse. Then you can select one that you like. Like now, I want this one. So I'm going to hit apply all. Okay, at the middle part, you will see the style has changed. And if you are not favorite with some modules, like this one, just left click to select it. Then at the right side, there are some available products for you to select. Like I want to change it to this type, just left click. Okay, now it has changed. It's very quick. Then after you confirming everything, you just need to browse in 3D solution. Okay, now what you need to do is wait for it Okay, now you can see the whole house decoration is placed in very quick by the AI. Then let's get into the walkthrough wheel. Then after this, you can go to get your render immediately or make some minor change on this whole house decoration. And if you want to make some change on it, like here, you want to add a curtain. It's very simple. Go to the material plazas to find the curtain. Drop and drop it inside. Change its size. Okay, now it's placing well now. Or if you want to change its texture, it's okay. Like now, you can find the texture here. Then come here. Left click this little icon. Like this has some tile. Or you can come to here like this wallpaper. And now I want some things from here. Like this is the warm color, natural color. Just drag and place it on the wall if you want it. So after you doing this minor change, you can go to get your render and set the name for it. Okay, now we are loading the render interface. So for the render, the first thing is we need to go to the right side to get some smart view. And you can see at here has this smart view. And hit the generate AI perspective. Then we need to wait for a while. And the AI will help you to find some perspective for us. Or you can also adjust the perspective by yourself. Okay, now it's finished. You can see it here has many perspectives for you to select. Like this one. And if you think this is cool for you, then you can go to the left side. Here has this render quality and the resolution. You can select this two one. And also the composition here. And after that, you can come here to select the lighting templates. Like now, I would like to use this realistic one. And now it is setting the lights. We just need to wait. During the waiting, we can open this color correction and color overflow control. And if you want to know more about this lighting templates and some render parameters, you can go to the render parts to learn more about these things. Okay, now this is finished. And you can see at this 2D view, here has some lighting templates is plating inside. So now you can directly get your render pictures or come to the left side to change the lightness here. Like this one, I want to change this to 20. And this one to change this to like 10. And now you can get your render immediately. Okay, it is under render already. So let's go to find our next one. Before that, you can take a snapshot for it first. Then if you're not satisfied with the render, you can come here to snapshots to find it's very quick. So this is for the living room. And I want this view. And I want to change this to 16 to night. Okay, this is good, so I'm going to get the render immediately. Also save it to the snapshot. And this is for the room. You can change the position of it for a little bit. Okay, after you're doing this, you can get the render picture for this room now. And this one, you can also try to get one for yourself. So now let's just wait for the render picture. During the waiting, you don't need to stay at here. You can go back to start your other projects or do other things because the render will continues on the cloud. Then you don't need to wait here. You just need to go back later and check your render picture. And now you can go to the gallery to view the render picture. I open the wrong one and this one. And if you think the likeness is not enough, you can come to the beautified image to minor adjustment on them to make it brightness. Or you can go back, then find the snapshot, then come here to change some parameters at here. Or if you want to view the render picture soon, you can also use this real-time render function. Okay, this is all for today's. I hope these functions will very help your guys to save your time and do the designs very quick. So see you next time. Goodbye.